Want to know how to calculate your age from birth year in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what we do is we just simply ask the user to enter the birth year. So once that is done, we just grab the pointer using Java's built-in birthYear.now method and calculate the difference. And boom, instant age results printed on the console. This teaches us user input handling, basic math, and how to use Java's time API. You can easily add month or date logic to make it more precise. Super short but useful. This is a great little snippet for beginners to get familiar with the real-world calculations. So you can just simply run this code right here, and you can just simply type in your birth year for sub, which is 2005, and now you should be approximately 20 years old in 2025. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.